Hi, today we're going to talk about hemoglobin. As a lot of you know, hemoglobin is the protein found in our red blood cells, and it's what carries the oxygen around the body. So the basic structure of hemoglobin is that it has 4 globulin chains. 2 are alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. That's what's found in adult hemoglobin. And each chain has a heme group. That heme group is what gives hemoglobin the red color, and it also contains iron. That iron is what binds to the oxygen and carries oxygen around the body. Each red blood cell has millions of these hemoglobin molecules. And so each red blood cell can carry billions of oxygen molecules. When we're just naturally breathing, the only gases that get exchanged in the lungs are oxygen and another gas called carbon monoxide. A lot of you must have heard of carbon monoxide poisoning. And the reason why it's poisonous is that it binds to hemoglobin at a higher affinity than oxygen, and it's not readily released from the hemoglobin. So it's estimated that it takes around a day for it to be released from your body. Now, if there's enough carbon monoxide in the air, it can actually starve your body of oxygen. And when your body gets starved of oxygen, you have an increased heart rate, you have a reduced ability to exercise, and it can then lead to headaches and vision problems, and in really severe cases, it can be fatal. An average person has around up to 3% of carbon monoxide in their blood, but when it comes to smokers, they can have up to 10% of carbon monoxide in their blood. The problem with that is that you're not going to get enough oxygen being transported around the body. So your bone marrow is going to start making more and more red blood cells. And that's why a lot of smokers have higher than normal red blood cells and hemoglobin. Since we're on the topic of blood, I did want to mention the pH of our blood. The pH of the blood is between 7.35 and 7.45, so average 7.4. If you have higher or lower pH level, that's not a good thing, and that's not somebody normal that's walking around with that kind of high pH or low pH level. Those are found in people who have issues with their lungs or their kidneys. So when you see all these diets that say, oh, you have to alkalinize your blood, or know that it's all bogus.